Hike up the mountain. A step-by-step guide to mastering this phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English language learning fun and easy for everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and vivid English phrase, hike up the mountain. This phrase is not only about a physical activity but also carries deeper meanings and uses in everyday English. So, buckle up as we embark on this linguistic journey together, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to use this phrase like a native speaker. First things first, let's break down what hike up the mountain means. At its core, this phrase consists of two main parts, hike and up the mountain. Hike. This is a verb that means to walk for a long distance, especially across country or in the woods. It implies a vigorous, long walk that can be for pleasure or exercise. Up the mountain. This indicates the direction and the terrain of the hike. It means ascending or going higher on a mountain. So, when combined, hike up the mountain literally means to walk up a mountain, usually for enjoyment or physical exercise. It's an activity that involves preparation, effort, and appreciation for nature. While hike up the mountain can be used in its literal sense, it also has a metaphorical meaning in English. It can symbolize overcoming challenges or making progress in life. Just like hiking up a mountain requires preparation, effort, and persistence, achieving goals or overcoming obstacles in life demands the same qualities. For example, if someone says, "I'm hiking up the mountain in my career," they mean they are making progress and working hard to achieve higher status or success in their job. Let's look at some examples of how to use hike up the mountain in sentences. Literal. Last weekend, we decided to hike up the mountain near our town. It was challenging but very rewarding. Metaphorical. Graduating from college was like hiking up the mountain. It took a lot of effort and perseverance, but I made it. Understanding the context in which the phrase is used is key to applying it correctly. Whether you're talking about an actual hiking adventure or describing a personal journey or achievement. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at the phrase, hike up the mountain. We hope this video has not only taught you the meaning of this phrase but also inspired you to use it in your conversations, be it to describe your latest adventure or the challenges you've overcome. Remember, learning English is a journey, much like hiking up a mountain, full of discoveries and achievements. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy learning!